Disaster, yeah. Me say prepare on yourself for a rascal disaster. No grammar, cause when I cooperate, me say no come at your honor. Deck me for dishonor. The reason sit and they find me on the corner. Make you tell them say you know see me, cause it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did achieve this less than 10 minutes makeup tutorial. I mean, if you're like me, basically you wake up in the morning and you feel like you have all the whole time in the world and you're like, okay, let me make a fancy breakfast, let me watch a series, let me watch something, you know, let me do this, let me do that, let me do that, and before you know, you're like 1 hour to leave the house and you haven't even like freshened up. If you're like me, then this video is for you guys. This video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did achieve this flawless, no makeup look, everyday look, call it whatever you like. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did achieve this look with affordable products. And also, if you really don't have any expertise on makeup, like no experience, then this video is for you. Like, you really don't need no experience or expertise to create this look. It's really easy. Like, I have no foundation. I don't know if you can tell, but I have no foundation on, have no liner on, you know, my brows, I did not clean up the top part of my brows, and it really looks so sleek and so good. I really love it. And yeah, and also this hair is from rpghair.com, just in case you're wondering or you want to know. It's from rpghair.com. I always order from this company a lot, like, you know, I always order from the company a lot. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, because we don't have time, we have less than 10 minutes to, you know, get this whole look and video together. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and also give me a thumbs up if you did like this video, and let us get on right straight into this tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my hair first. I'm going to be using this hair from rpghair.com. I've showed you guys a video on this hair before, so I'm gonna be repeating this hair for this look. And before I start, I'm also gonna be snacking on chips and fresh guacamole, okay, just in case you see my mouth moving and you're like, what is she doing or whatever. I'm gonna be snacking. And also I have with me a glass of wine, you know, to keep me going, and you know, and I already did put all of my hair together, and I did wear my wig cap. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this hair. So this is the hair. It looks really so natural, guys. So I'm gonna be using my got2b glue gel. Just let this get tacky for about 2 seconds. I am so hungry, guys. Like, Let me get my laptop to play songs because it's so quiet here. So I don't know what to play. I feel like I should play. Did you guys, I don't know if you guys watched that video of the makeup artist that she did makeup on Cardi B, and she was like, Cardi B was very rude and stuff. I'm watching.
If you would have told me January 2017 that Cardi B would make me feel this way, I probably would spit in your face. Like, there is no way you would have told me I was never gonna stop being a supporter. It was one cute. So that was the night. Everything went fine. She loved her makeup. I went with her to the first hit. I mean, it's not a little different. It's big different. And so I don't know if that's just my ignorance to the culture or not, but that's exactly what I got from her. For me, it wasn't what I was expecting, you know, and I was expecting to kind of at least get a little dose of what I saw on TV. But it's TV. TV's entertainment, and
exactly,
you know, that was my fault for for me to do, and it's a good job opportunity. Friday night, I get the call. Saturday morning, I get the call time, and
seriously, guys, what do you guys think about this video, really? Because I also watched what she said, and I later watched what Cardi B responded, or what she like said concerning the girl. And to me, I don't really know, but I feel like the makeup artist, even though like she said Cardi B was like rude and everything, and you know, rude, but still I feel like maybe that's just because of me. I'm the kind of person that even though someone hurt me or whatever, or I felt bad, I'm not just gonna come like on TV or on social media and start saying everything that she did this to me, especially if it's like work. I don't know, but I don't want to take sides because I don't know how everything went down truly, because Cardi B is now saying that she wasn't cursing her, and you know, she didn't say any bad word to her. So man, I don't know who to believe. But at the end of the day, Cardi B also looks like someone who will be like so rude. And I heard she didn't even pay her. Like, oh my god, why would she not even pay her? Like, that's not fair. It's not nice. So I'm gonna do my brows first. And I'll be using the ABH brow pomade. So at this point, I'm just like brushing the brows, making it as natural as possible, because this is like a natural look. And also relating to the video that we're listening to, I just want to say that no matter how big or how big you think you are, like you're a star, you're rich, or whatever, I feel like we're all still human, you understand? We all still have the same blood, we bleed, we're all still gonna die, like, and you know this life, but anything can happen. Anything can happen to anyone. You can be the most famous person, wealthiest person, like whatever, and the next minute you're like down there. So really, I don't, when I see people looking down on other people, I'm like, okay. Okay, that's why you see me, like my life, I smile a lot. Like that's one of my things. When people just like, Mercy, you're always laughing, you're always like, that's just me, honestly. Like even if you hurt me and whatever, like I might be mad at you for a while, but after some time I'll just like, okay, like, you know. So I don't really know, because Cardi B also said that she wasn't rude to her, whatever, that the girl was, she came late and I think she went to the club, or she was like high or whatever, I don't know. But right now I don't know what to believe. So right now I'm just going to like clean the lower part of my brows with concealer. And I'll go with this small brush and just like clean it, blend it properly, sorry, while my hair is cooking. You know what also made me believe what the makeup artist said? After the fight of Cardi B had with Nicki Minaj, I feel like she's the kind of person that would do that, really. She is like very, you know, I don't care, whatever. I mean, for someone to fight in an open event, like, really, like, that is just, sorry, that is just someone who doesn't care at all. Like, that will fight in a public place. So I kind of believe that girl. I believe her.
Sit down at the bar. So I'm sitting down there and I'm waiting. And
as you can see, I did not clean up the upper part of my brows. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is sleek. It's amazing. Okay, now to my face. So I'll be using this black radiance primer. So for this look, obviously I'm not gonna use foundation because it's just like a no makeup. I can apply this underneath my eyes, my dark circles, just to conceal kind of the dark spots and highlight my face at the same time. Then I'm gonna go in with this darker shade. So I have my mirror here just in case I'm, you know, always looking here. Just pushing everything in with this foundation brush from Real Techniques. So really, I don't know what you guys think about that video. I mean, just go and watch it. Go listen to what the girl said. I mean, I can't judge because I wasn't actually there, so I cannot judge. So now I'm just gonna set my face with my setting powder. I'm just gonna be contouring my face with this Too Faced bronzer. It just adds life to my face. So this is basically like my everyday makeup look. I don't wear foundation every day because there's no time. I mean, I wake up so late. I mean, I always wake up like 3 hours before I know I have to leave the house. And when I wake up, I'll be like, okay, I still have time, you know, I still have time. Let me cook, you know, let me make a fancy breakfast. Let me watch a show, let me do laundry, and I'll just be like, you know, doing all those unnecessary stuff at the wrong time, and before I know it, I'm like 1 hour before leaving the house, and I'll start rushing, taking my shower. Eventually I end up doing this makeup look every day. So, and I like it, to be honest. I like the makeup look. It's just simple, sweet, you know. Wow, this is good. This is so good. Oh my god. Now I'm going to highlight my face, and I'll be using the Colorpop Luster Dust. Just gonna blend it more because I don't want it to exaggerate it like that. Look at me. I'm saying I want it soft, but I'm still adding more. That's how crazy I am. Let me just add a little bit. Usually I don't do this. I don't add highlighter here. But let me just do it because I have leftover here. And I'm just going to use a bit of that leftover bronzer to kind of make my lids brown. So I have lash extension on, so I'm not going to add any sort of lashes. It makes my life so easy. Even though I don't wear makeup, I'm like looking sleek. So I have lash extensions. I'm just like brushing it out. But if you want to add lashes, go ahead. So my bottom lashes, I'm just gonna apply some mascara to them. Usually I do this on the bus. Like I don't do this at home, I just do this on the bus. I'm actually used to doing my makeup on the bus, like some of my makeup on the bus, because Koreans do it a lot. But in Nigeria, you can't even try it. So now I'm gonna be using this blush from Tarte. So this is it for my lips. I'll be using one of these samples that I got from MAC, so don't judge. I'll be using the Velvet Teddy one. I used to have this lipstick before, then I don't know what happened, got lost. Then I'll be using this gloss to just seal everything together. So finally, yeah, my fix gloss.
And I'm still trying. Now you see I moved on and you still lie. You and me, we used to be tight. Family every single day and night.
Hey, I'll do this, drawing up my own blueprint. I cut them off.
So this is the look, you guys. This is how it came out. As you can see, it is like, it is popping. I mean, it's so natural, and it just looked like I had all the time in the world to do this makeup. Meanwhile, I just had like barely 10 minutes, and my skin can breathe because I have no foundation. I just have just concealer on my face, just in my brows, and I didn't even clean up the top part of my brows. Just clean up the lower part of my brows. I don't have no lashes, but you can add lashes if you want to, because I have eyelash extension already. So I have no lashes. As you can see, even this part of my hair is like not really that laid. That's because it's a 10 minutes makeup and hair look. Really don't have to make it perfect. As long as this hair is like covering the edges and whatever, I just need to like make this part sleek, and that's all you have to do. So don't mind, it's part of the whole package, okay? So yes, just enjoy my wine, my guacamole, my chips, and yeah, makeup looks so good, guys. So good. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right away. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, you know, all of that good stuff, because it really means a lot to me, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you have a beautiful day or night or weekend, whatever day it is where you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.